everybody. My name is Saurabh. I'm from Geotechnosoft. We are the Odoo implementation partner. Before this session, you already heard what Odoo do in terms of business automation. Where you already listen CRM, project management, and implementation of methodology. Today, we are going to talk something different. You must heard Odoo has a learning management application module inside Odoo, and when we think about any application which provides a learning management solution, we always feel it is for institutions and colleges and all, right? However, we have done this implementation for government of Bihar and for a large community. Almost more than 14 million women who are going to use, already using many of them, and in next 3 years we are going to target 14 million females are going to use this learning management tool to enhance their skills, and based on those skills they can enhance their livelihood. So in Bihar there is an organization called Jeevika. That organization is based on community-based organization basically. So very few people make a community and they do some business. Government support them to do the business, and these all women are not literate women. They are not skilled women. So government gives a lot of training and enhance their skills and help them with the fund also to start the business. So nowadays in Bihar there are more than 40 lakhs businesses run by a small organization, a small group of women, and in last year also we had given the same demonstration in Odoo Community Days, how Odoo is empowering them to develop the business processes and all. So Odoo as a ERP, we are using Odoo as a ERP. This year we have implemented Odoo as a learning management tool for them. Okay, so just imagine 14 million users are going to learn from Odoo learning management app. The reason, so let me go to the next slide. Better. So check why we need that application. So to do training of 14 million women across the Bihar, there are a lot of physical intervention required. So somebody has to arrange the space, faculty has to go there, and then that entire training process will happen. So we are solving this challenge. So now there is a mobile app, there is the online applications, and we have facilities also where women can go and see the videos and other stuff, and they can get trained. Not just training. There is, of course, if you guys heard about Odoo learning management, so there is a assessment module. Whoever done the training online, they can go with different surveys, tests and all, and they get certificate, right? This is the basic practice what a learning management software do, correct? So this was a challenge. Solution is definitely Odoo learning module, right? It's a definitely Odoo module, and the vision of this learning management is learn, grow, and achieve. If every woman can learn, they can grow and they can achieve their goals. So the basic learning management tools give you the course creating facility. So you can create many courses. Course like you can add videos, you can add PDF, you can add make HTML pages and all. And then you definitely for assessment you can create quiz, you can upload documents and all. Right? Most important is like every woman who is associated with this learning management software, they don't require to access all the courses. So based on their enterprise, their need, we have access right control. So the right category of audience should get the right course content. Okay. Of course, once somebody will complete the course, they will get a certificate. Not just to finish the course, they have to finish the assessment and all. Then they will get a certificate. So certification is also linked with this. Once a course is uploaded and 14 million users are going to use that application every day, then a lot of reports required from the central body, which is the government of Bihar, like how many women are skilled this month, and also all reportings we have developed. Odoo has very powerful reporting framework, so it is developing Odoo itself. So same way, like data can be visualized in tables, chart, and graphs. report can be filtered out. So Odoo have this group by and filter feature. So all the entire reporting framework we have used for within the Odoo itself. Okay. So as I mentioned before, accessing user experience. So anybody can access through laptop, tablet, mobile phone. They also have libraries and all. In every district of Bihar, block of Bihar, you can find Didi library. So there's the infrastructure Didi. In Bihar, we call them Didi. So they can go there, they can use their computers and all, internet and all, and they can go with the learning experience. So again, they can practice quizzes and all, dashboard. So every user will have their own dashboard, how many courses they have completed, what are the new course for them, so they can, it's a notification on their dashboard, so they can go to the right course and they can complete the learning experience. And again, I'm talking here, so certificate, definitely they will get the certificate. This is very important slide. So now I talked about 14 million rural users, female users in the Bihar. The organization which manages the entire Jeevika, the name is Jeevika, right? And it is called SPMU, State Project Management Office. Same NRLM is the central body, and every state have a SPMU. So to manage this large community, they have 10,000 employees in Bihar who manage this Jeevika 40 million community of Jeevika Didi. This is very important. So now, once you heard learning management, the thing come in your mind, this is for institution and all, right? Second thing is how an organization can use this learning management module and increase the productivity of their employees. This is a very important aspect which many people doesn't connect with the Odoo. So I have 10,000 employees. So what is their goals? What is their skill matrix? What is their KPIs? To achieve the goal, what skills has to be improved, right? So this all integration we have done through their HRMS. So they are already using HRMS of Odoo for many years. Now we have integrated this learning management with their HRMS. In the HRMS, if you guys heard about Odoo, there is a skill module. You can map the skill of every employee. Like, for example, for me, I'm not 100. I don't score 100% in computer literacy. So if I score 50%, there's a gap of 50%. I should be at 100%, right? So there's a skill matrix where HR team can map the skill of every employee, and they can create course. Definitely in the backend is learning management, so they can create the course to improve their skills. So this is very tightly integrated with the HRMS and learning management to improve the performance of 10,000 employees who is working to manage the entire community. Okay, so in this, skill mapping is there. They can create KPIs. Again, KPI is mapped with the skill. At the end of the year, so not at the end of the year, throughout the year, they can keep seeing which employee is improving from the learning side, which employee need to be learned more, and they can promote the different courses, and they can notify the employees, please complete these courses so that your skill can be improved, your performance can be increased. So everything is mapped. At the end of the year, when appraisals is a very important component of employee, right? So at the end of the year, when they do the appraisal, they use this matrix. Throughout the year, this was your skill last year, this was your performance indicator, and this is how you perform throughout the year, and based on that, appraisal is done. This is very tightly integrated, so seamless integration of Jeevika LMS to the Odoo-based HRMS. Same achieving learning objectives, so every employee have a learning objective and it has to be achieved through the system itself. So not only 14 million women, 10,000 employees are also associated with this learning management tool. And measuring impact, which I explained you very clearly, like KPIs and everything is linked with this entire software, and it is integrated with the HRMS. So HRMS is based in Odoo, is a different application. Now we have launched a learning management dedicated application, and we have integrated both of them. So conclusion and future impact. As I mentioned, we have just in few days we cannot give the training, or we cannot create the awareness in 14 million women community. So we have targeted this to be achieved in the next 3 years. So this year we are targeting around 40 lakhs women should be linked with this learning management tool, and we are giving training throughout the districts. Our team is going in every block. There's a meeting, CLF meeting, we call CLF meeting. So in that CLF meeting, my people go there and give the training to all the women, how they can log in, how they can use the videos, how they can use the assessment feature and all. Second, driving growth and efficiency. Definitely, this is very important thing. Enhance. This is very important. So every woman will complete a course and they will achieve a certificate, right? And this course is not designed by me. This course is designed by a government body, authorized government body, to design the course, to create the video, to create the assessment and everything. And then the women go in our application, Odoo-based learning management tool, and they create, they complete the course and they get a certificate. So it's a government authorized certificate. Soon we are going to integrate this with the DigiLocker. You heard about this DigiLocker, right? So anytime this woman can log in the DigiLocker whenever they are going for any interview or anywhere, and that time authenticity is required. Like this certificate is original or not. They can simply the DigiLocker, download the DigiLocker certificate and they can give. So we are in talk with the DigiLocker team. We got the API also and we're working on that. So definitely, this is not just for the community, for Jeevika staff and whoever is associated with Jeevika. So it's a bright future as a platform for them. This was a very visionary app or visionary project for the government. So when we developed this app, it was launched by our Central Minister, Mr. Jitendra Singh, who is the Minister of Science and Technology. This is the video when we have done the launch of this application. 3 months back, the launch was done. So it was a proud moment for me, my team, and for the entire community. Odoo themselves claim they have 15 million users. Odoo claim they have 15 million users. I claim I have 14 million users in the next 3 years in one application. So this was a very proud moment for us, and this is not just one app. There are many apps which we have developed for government, and it was launched by very senior minister, IAS officers and all. And we are also exploring this Odoo for different government, different states. Same SPNU. We are in talk with UP SPNU. We are in talk with Maharashtra SPNU, even Karnataka SPNU, and we are supposed to implement many different applications which we have developed in the Odoo for community. So this was it. Any question?
Yeah. So, Namaskar. I work for Isha Foundation, and we have a similar problem that we are trying to address. We have a number of volunteers who are not really employees, right? So I'm just trying to understand, you differentiated between employees and DDs, right? So are they also registered as users on Odoo?
Yes. Okay. See, the entire course, few courses are public courses. So to access those courses, you don't require to register in the system.
Okay.
However, they wanted to track like how many views are on every application. So there is a registration process definitely.
Okay.
So that is why I said 14 million users we will have in next 2-3 years in the same database.
Okay. But then how do you manage your licenses?
It's completely community. It's open source.
Okay.
It's open source. So there is a small video of 2 minutes. If I have time, can I play? Any other question? This is what?
प्रशिक्षण फिजिकल उपस्थिति के माध्यम से आयोजित करना एक चुनौतीपूर्ण कार्य है। इस चुनौती के समाधान के लिए जीविका ने एक डिजिटल पोर्टल ई-लर्निंग मैनेजमेंट सिस्टम विकसित किया है। जीविका ई-लर्निंग एक लर्निंग मैनेजमेंट सिस्टम LMS है, जिसका लक्ष्य है सीखना, पढ़ना और हासिल करना। ये LMS आपको ऑनलाइन कोर्स बनाने, सीखने के लक्ष्यों को तय करने और कर्मचारियों व समुदाय के सदस्यों की प्रगति को मापने की सुविधा देता है। आप सभी के लिए या खास समूहों के लिए कोर्स प्रकाशित कर सकते हैं। ये प्लेटफॉर्म इतने बड़े पैमाने पर सदस्यों, कैडरों एवं जीविका कर्मियों को प्रभावी प्रशिक्षण उपलब्ध कराने में उपयोगी है। ये प्लेटफॉर्म सदस्यों, कैडरों एवं जीविका कर्मियों को करियर ग्रोथ पाने में भी सहायक होगा। अब तक इस प्लेटफॉर्म पर HRMS, SD, वन फार्म, लाइवस्टॉक, कैपेसिटी बिल्डिंग और फाइनेंशियल इंक्लूजन जैसे विभिन्न विषयों के कोर्स को अपलोड किया गया है तथा आने वाले समय में इसमें निरंतर वृद्धि की जाएगी। जीविका LMS डेस्कटॉप, टैबलेट और मोबाइल फोन जैसे सभी डिवाइस पर आसानी से उपलब्ध है। आप इसे ब्राउजर या ऐप के जरिए इस्तेमाल कर सकते हैं, जिससे सीखना हमेशा आपकी पहुंच में रहता है। आइए एक यूजर के रूप में इसका अनुभव करें। व्यक्तिगत डैशबोर्ड में लॉगिन करें और अपनी सभी प्रशिक्षण सामग्री तक पहुंचे। इंटरैक्टिव सामग्री, अभ्यास प्रश्नोत्तरी और फॉर्म्स के माध्यम से सीखते हुए बिगिनर से मास्टर तक का सफर तय करें। कोर्स पूरा होने पर आपको एक प्रतिष्ठित प्रमाण पत्र मिलता है, जो आपकी विशेषज्ञता को प्रमाणित करता है और नए अवसरों के द्वार खोलता है। ये 100 से अधिक भाषाओं को सपोर्ट करता है। ये रोबस्ट LMS सिस्टम जीविका इंफ्रास्ट्रक्चर के साथ इंटीग्रेट होने और जीविका समुदाय को सशक्त बनाने के लिए तैयार है। ये प्लेटफॉर्म जीविका के शिक्षण उद्देश्यों को प्राप्त करने के लिए उत्साहित है। जीविका LMS, learn, grow and achieve.
So everything is mapped at the